How to convert USDT to BTC on Binance. For that, first of all, open your Binance mobile application, and your interface might be different than mine because currently I'm using Binance Lite version, but if you are using Binance Pro version, then don't worry, the process is still the same. Open your Binance app and tap on the Binance icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now tap on the convert option, and here you will be landed on the conversion page. Over here in the from section, you need to make sure that USDT is selected. Then in the to section, since we want to convert USDT to BTC, you need to tap on the to section and select BTC or Bitcoin. Afterwards, in the USDT, you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to convert into BTC, and now it will show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you will get, plus it will also show you the current price of 1 BTC. If you want to see more information about it, then you can tap on the trade option and it will show you the type on which this conversion will take place, plus the transaction fees as well as the rate. So if you are okay with any of these, tap on the confirm option in the bottom, and within 10 seconds you just have to complete your conversion. Once your conversion is completed, you will get your BTC and you can view it by tapping on your wallets section. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more these types of tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.